Pull my heart out of my chest, train my mind so I forget. Sink your teeth into my bones, dig me out, then fill the hole. Tear me apart and watch it burn. Tear me apart and watch it burn. All that's left is a window to my soul. Come and get it.
Did you see the proposal?
I did.
That was,
she said yes, right?
yeah, she did.
That's,
Or that was a very positive,
he told me it was about a 50-50 chance before.
The burnout and the proposal.
Yeah, both. That's how it was for me and Maddie. I was like, it's a 50-50 deal. See if she says yes.
I'm still waiting for my girl to ask me.
Kirsten, where's she at?
She's watching at home.
Oh.